Python integration in MOJO. Let's see the key points in the integration of Python and MOJO. Easy import of Python modules in MOJO. Can create Python types from MOJO Types, after import. To import Python and MOJO we use Python import module. Please find the syntax below, python.import_module. This module is equivalent to calling NumPy function in Python. Now let's see importing Python module into MOJO. If you have some local Python code you want to use in MOJO, just add the directory to the Python path and then import the module. Let's see an example Python file and also observe how it is imported in MOJO programming. Take a look at the Python file block and MOJO import block. There's no need to worry about memory management when using Python and MOJO. Everything just works because MOJO was designed for Python from the beginning. Now let's see about MOJO types in Python. MOJO types in Python. MOJO primitive types implicitly convert into Python objects. Support for lists, tuples, integers, floats, booleans, and strings. For example, given this Python function that prints Python types, so we can import the function and pass it to MOJO type. Now we will talk about MOJO program output. The output are implicit conversion to Python types. MOJO doesn't have a standard dictionary yet, so it is not yet possible to create a Python dictionary from a MOJO dictionary. You can work with Python dictionaries in MOJO as of now. Finally, the output is nothing but list of classes including list, tuple, int, string and float. Now let's talk about Python dictionary in MOJO. For integrating Python and MOJO we need dictionary method using the keyword dict. Take a look at the example program and its explanation. The code starts by creating a dictionary object called dictionary. The dictionary is then initialized with the key value pairs of fruit and apple, and starch and potato. Next, the code creates an integer variable named n that will hold the number of items in the list. Then for each item in range n, if it's not found in dictionary, print it out. If it's found, print out its index position instead. The main function starts by declaring a function called main. This function has no return value because there is nothing to return from this program. It takes one parameter which is none, the empty tuple. The code will print the following: 2 items are in dictionary.